That could be our new name. Firecrackers.
That's cute.
I know, that's why I said it. Is that yours? Take it. And then you could put like a burst of color right here.
Jordan, hold my bag.
I like the jersey first.
The what?
Firecracker. You wear short shorts? No, I'm just kidding.
No. She likes the what?
Jersey freeze.
That's okay. Didn't they come up with that?
They're leaving.
Oh. Oh. Do the Flames know that? Is that it?
Stuff.
Oh, okay.
Well, midway through the season, we found out the guy who was president of the Flames is now back in prison.
Oh, lovely.
Wrong way. Like,
their team's not going to Florida?
No. We might go somewhere though. Not with Steve, just us. When Joe and I figure it out, we'll let you know about Tommy. We're thinking of Virginia. Like
Williamsburg.
Virginia. Yeah, like
Williamsburg
Busch Gardens.
Yeah, and Virginia Beach.
Go see Emily.
Yeah. I already talked to Nicole. I have my reservation.
Those tornadoes were like a block off of them.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Emily was by herself.
It was across the street from their house.
My brother drove through there.
Oh wow.
Coming out of the top.
I see it. Yeah, it's too far away.
No, it's coming out. Here's Ariana on top of that boy. How lovely.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
That was it. I just started recording.
Wow.
You?
Yep. Come on, where's the S? Come on. Come on.
You?
S? I saw the S. He's awesome, man. Woo! Is that it?
More!
More! Woo, 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 woo!
As long as you clap though.
Yeah.
S?
We're still waiting.
That would be on.
A.
No.
Yeah. You hear him, but not.
Imagine being in France. It would take an hour to do all that.
Yeah, right? Awesome. Look at that, Jake.
Kazakhstan. It's like, all right.
Czechoslovakia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gold and one's remind me of
Right. Me too. And the purple and the green one. My God. Uh-oh. They didn't do the egg.
Yeah, boy.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Yay!
Get out of the ring.